as we bring in meteorologist Michelle Muscatello. It looks like it's going to be another gorgeous day, but it's cold today, so we should bundle up with some scarves and hats, Michelle.
Yeah, it is chilly out there, but overall, as far as December goes, not a bad day to kick off the work week. Let's go ahead and take a look at the conditions outside right now from our live camera in Newport, and we have some filtered sunshine at the coastline. It's brighter the further inland that you go. Today actually marks the earliest sunset of the year. It happens at 4:14 and 45 seconds today, about a second earlier than what we had yesterday. It's not our shortest day of the year. If you look at the amount of daylight, we're still going to be losing the amount of daylight up until we hit the winter solstice on December 21st. That day we have 9 hours, 8 minutes and 14 seconds of daylight. So what happens? Well, the sunrises keep getting later, even though we have reached our earliest sunset time. By the end of the month, we're actually going to gain almost 11 minutes to the sunset time. So that is something to look forward to. It's a quieter stretch. Also looking forward to that after several big storms have come through here the last couple of weeks. It's a cold start to the week, but we'll be warming up in the second half of the week. And then looking ahead to next weekend, that's actually our next decent shot of seeing some rainfall. And we'll talk about that. We drop down overnight to the lower and mid 20s. I expect temperatures this evening and tonight to be similar. Right now we're in the middle 30s in Providence and New Bedford and 33 in Newport. It's all happening under dry skies, and the wind's not bad this afternoon. Staying light until they pick up a little bit overnight tonight. For the afternoon hours, plan on more sunshine mixing with some high clouds. The temperatures make it as high as the upper 30s before dropping back down. So by 6 o'clock this evening, already at around 33 degrees. And tonight, as I mentioned, similar to last night, will cool into the middle 20s under partly cloudy skies, breezy and dry conditions. How about missing a storm? Yeah, this guy here, this area of low pressure off the Carolina coastline, is too far south to cause any significant rainfall to our area. We're getting clipped by some of those high clouds on the outer edges of the storm, and it's also going to help to turn our wind direction. So right now we've had a west-northwest wind today. We'll keep that going, but by tonight and tomorrow morning, we're going to see more of a north and eventually northeasterly wind, and that's actually going to create some ocean clouds and potentially some ocean enhanced lighter rain and snow showers that the Cape and Plymouth County could wake up to tomorrow morning. I expect all of this activity to stay to the east of New Bedford. So it's really our far eastern Massachusetts communities will be dealing with that for the first few hours of the morning before the skies dry up and eventually do some clearing later in the day. As we talk about the upcoming weekend, this time it's just a cold front approaching the area, but the timing brings in some showers from later Saturday into early on Sunday before that front clears the coastline and skies dry out. So it does affect part of both weekend days, but we'll be able to fine tune the timing of that as we head closer to the weekend. For right now, plan on some dry weather in the days ahead. It's breezy and chilly tomorrow, mix of clouds and sunshine Wednesday, still a little cooler than normal, but by Thursday and Friday, we are back up to near normal high